Hi everyone, today's headlines. 580 cases of adverse events reported in India and 2 deaths not related to vaccine. 897 healthcare workers vaccinated in India on the second day. India gives Nepal ironclad commitment on vaccine supply schedule coming week. India to send 20 lakh vaccines to Dhaka, Pakistan explores options. Don't use WhatsApp if insecure by Delhi High Court. CBI arrests 2 more railway officers from Guwahati in ₹1 crore graft case, total 5 arrested. Aware of Chinese construction along the LAC, says MEA. News in details. 580 cases of adverse events reported in India and 2 deaths not related to vaccine. In India, 580 cases of adverse event following immunization and 2 deaths have been reported so far after COVID-19 vaccination. An adverse event following immunization is any unexpected medical occurrence which follows immunization. It may or may not be related to the vaccine or vaccination process. 897 healthcare workers vaccinated in Nagaland on the second day. On the second day of COVID-19 vaccination in Nagaland, a total of 897 healthcare workers including doctors, nurses and support staff were vaccinated in the state yesterday, January 18, 2021. Dr. Ritu Thur, State Immunization Officer, Directorate of Health and Family Welfare, Government of Nagaland, informed that Covishield vaccine was safely administered to 897 healthcare professionals on the second day in all districts of Nagaland. The vaccination was conducted across 22 sites including private hospitals yesterday. Healthcare workers from both public and private facilities were vaccinated safely with much enthusiasm, stated Dr. Ritu Thur. India gives Nepal ironclad commitment on COVID-19 vaccine supply schedule coming week. While Nepal Prime Minister Oli, political detractors has painted Foreign Minister Pradeep visit to India a damp squib, New Delhi found the visitor committed to cementing bilateral ties. The Narendra Modi government has given ironclad assurance to Nepal that it will be among the first countries to receive India-developed twin COVID-19 vaccines, supply schedule of which will be announced in the coming week. This assurance was conveyed to Nepalese Foreign Minister Pradeep Gawali during his visit to New Delhi for the Joint Commission meeting with External Affairs Minister Subramaniam Jaishankar. India to send 20 lakh vaccines to Dhaka, Pakistan explores option. On Monday, authorities in Bangladesh confirmed that on Wednesday, January 20, a specially equipped plane will carry 20 lakh doses of the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine manufactured in India by the Serum Institute of India under the name Covishield to Dhaka. While India plans to send 20 lakh doses of COVID-19 vaccine to Bangladesh, another neighbor Pakistan is exploring option to get made in India vaccines, either through a global alliance for vaccine or through the bilateral route. On Monday, authorities in Bangladesh confirmed that on Wednesday, January 20, a specially equipped plane will carry 20 lakh doses of Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine manufactured in India by the Serum Institute of India under the name Covishield to Dhaka. The consignment will be handed over to Bangladesh government by the Indian High Commission in Dhaka. Bangladesh has had more than 5 lakh cases of COVID, with about 7,900 deaths so far. Pakistan moved to source Indian vaccines come across the country drug regulator. The Drug Regulator Authority of Pakistan over the weekend approved Oxford AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine for emergency use. Pakistan has reported more than 5 lakh COVID cases and almost 11,000 deaths. Don't use WhatsApp if insecure, Delhi High Court. The Delhi High Court on Monday said that a person can leave WhatsApp if they feel the messaging application was likely to compromise their data. The court was hearing a petition challenging the Facebook on-platform new privacy policy following a global backlash. WhatsApp last week announced that it was delaying the implementation of its new policy until May. This is a private app, don't join it, says Justice Sanjeev Sachdeva, addressing the petitioner counsel. If you feel WhatsApp is likely to compromise with your data, delete WhatsApp and go to some other application which is available. What is the problem? The court declined to immediately issue notice in the case and deferred the hearing of the matter to January 25. CBI arrests 2 more railway officers from Guwahati in ₹1 crore graft case, total 5 arrested. The CBI on Monday arrested 2 more railway engineers in an alleged ₹1 crore graft case. The Central Investigating Agency on Sunday had arrested an Indian Railway Engineering Service officer Mahendra Singh Chauhan and 2 others in connection with the case. The CBI also recovered a total amount of ₹2.39 crore, officials said. The CBI arrested Chauhan, who was posted as a Chief Administrator Officer, Construction in Northeast Frontier Railway in Guwahati, in one of the biggest traps in the history of the agency. Aware of Chinese construction along the LAC, says MEA. The Ministry of External Affairs on Monday said it was aware of infrastructure construction by China in the past several years along the line of actual control and that India has also stepped up its construction. The statement came after a report by NDTV showed satellite images of a new Chinese settlement in Arunachal Pradesh. This is the first time the government has acknowledged Chinese construction, although official sources say the land has been under the Chinese People Liberation Army control since 1959. The Chinese have been holding the area since 1959 and is not a new development. Prior to that, there was an Assam Rifle post there which was overrun. They have been doing construction there on and off. There were some temporary construction few years back. They have now done permanently construction there, an official source said. That's all for now. To get this latest news, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.